I got all my batteries out. Look. Uploading to Facebook right now.
Shit.
A lot of y'all ain't seen my build log. If y'all want to see my build log, go to downsouthbaseproductions.com or dsbp.net for short. Go to build logs and look for project SAD by D-Rick 75633.
Wait. Up.
Now,
It wasn't that hard taking it all out though.
I keep shit simple. Alright. Here's what we're doing. We got all the batteries out. We got the 2 amps out. Because I told myself after this show, I was going to take all the shit out. Well, I got another 4 amplifiers laying around. That's two per sub, 1 per coil.
That's a shitload. Then
We're going to see how my voltage stands up to that.
we got 1 beer left. That's direct though.
Got 2 more batteries over there. I need to go get 2 more.
1,
So-
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7 under the hood.
I got an email. Woohoo!
Oh yeah.
But we're about to build another shelf, get the batteries back in. Then we got a lot of soldering to do. There's the wire right there. That's silver solder. You can't forget the flux. And you have to use a blowtorch for it. Otherwise it ain't gonna get hot enough. And this is my favorite shit. It's contacts. It keeps your batteries from corroding. It's an oxide inhibitor.
Well, there's the old amp rack. It's chilling.
There's the wire. My buddy Patrick gave me that wire the other day. It's solid shit.
Yeah.
My buddy Coleman Thettinger, see the dinger, or C Thettinger, he just commented on that picture I just uploaded. He said, you tearing everything out? Or just redoing the back? More amps right there. More amps.
True that.
Starting to rain.